"Are you sure you've told me everything?" After infidelity, this question can become a painful, repeating loop. The betrayed partner keeps asking, and the unfaithful partner feels exhausted, wondering when it will ever stop. But this isn't an interrogation, it's a biological response. What's really happening is the brain's alarm system has been tripped and is now in full-on threat detection mode. When our sense of safety is shattered, the brain desperately scans for missing information, trying to fill the gaps in the timeline to understand the danger. Each repeated question is the nervous system running a safety check, asking, "Is there anything else I need to know to protect myself?" The only thing that slowly quiets this alarm is consistency. Calm, patient, non-defensive answers over time. It's not a personal failure by either partner. It's a normal human response to trauma, the brain's difficult but necessary path back to feeling safe.